What is the least common multiple of 8 and 10? In order to find the least common multiple of two numbers, we're going to list out a bunch of multiples for each of them and then circle the number that first appears in common in both of those lists. So let's start out with 8 and let's start listing out the multiples. I don't need to list out 8 times 1, which is 8, because it's already there. So let's do 8 times 2, which is 16. 8 times 3, which is 24. 8 times 4, which is 32. 8 times 5, which is 40. Let's do one more and see what happens. 8 times 6, which is 48. Now, if I have to keep going, then I'll keep going. Let's list out the multiples for 10. Okay, 10 times 2 is 20, times 3 is 30, times 4 is 40, times 5 is... Oh, wait a minute. I have 40 and 40. That is the first number that appears in common in both lists. So I'm going to circle that. And that's going to be my least common multiple. So let me write out here LCM. And LCM is the abbreviation for least common multiple is 40. And that's our answer.